What's up, all my Loc stars? It is the Loc Genie, and we are here to slay. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Just to let you know, fair warning, my boyfriend is in the background cooking, so if you hear a whole bunch of snap, snap, stir, stir, and a bunch of banging and tapping, he in there chefing it up, okay? In the meantime, I want you guys to see me do a retwist. I noticed that some people's partnering together. No shade, but all I'ma say, and I'ma keep saying it every time. Stop letting these people in your hair. You don't know what they know how to do, and I'm pretty sure they don't either. I like to use the comb, and I also like to use my fingernails, if I got some at the time, to help me get them little straggly hairs. I like to keep my parts clean, crispy, real slick, like the slick back, you know, ocean wave slick. Here, I'm checking my part to make sure it is straight. Can I have no wigglies? Sometimes with locks though, since the locks are all over the place, spaced out however sometimes, or over time they might end up like that, you might have to keep parting it a little bit. But 9 times out of 10, if it's not aligned with the rest of them, don't try to make it line up with the rest of them. Just put it where whatever side is closest to. Don't be doing no extra stuff. We don't need none of that. We don't need you messing up nobody's hair out here. The product I'm using is all natural and it's very good for keeping hold. It can hold anything. It's not as strong as Gorilla Glue, but it can hold, okay? I like to keep the sections held with rubber bands or sometimes clips. I prefer rubber bands when I'm finished with a section. I like to use clips to hold a section I'm currently working on in place. Sometimes I might have to go back and fix something. So you can use many things to hold your hairs or to hold your locks or even your sections, but just make sure you can see and access the part that you are trying to do. And here, I'm going to show you my palm roll. Catch it? Let's look at that one more time, shall we? There is a such thing as over twisting. You can tell if you're over twisting by looking at the roots. See how my roots are straight? If there was over twisting, the roots would be curly or kind of like a spiral. I'm not even gonna lie, it look good. Ooh, it look good. Here it is again, using a rubber band to hold my sections in place. And here we are at the finish line. We are almost done with this retwist. Again, I'm using my clips to keep the current section in place. And I am using rubber bands to keep the other sections held while I work. Palm rolling as I go along, the same way in each direction. No matter which way I'm facing on the head, I am twisting, palm rolling, and moving in the same directions. I placed him under 15 minutes of heat at 65 degrees. And this is the final result. Only of the retwist though. So he said he wanted GANGSTAS, but y'all know y'all be calling them pop smoke braids. Y'all be calling them all types of things. Me personally, I'm a 90s baby, so I grew up, we was calling them GANGSTAS. You know, I'm not too hip with the hip, but did I say hip? Let's not do that. We're not doing that no more. We're not gonna have that. But aside from that, check out the clean look. Check out the parts. Check out just all of it. Did I or did I not slay this retwist? Like, leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe and share. Because, like, why not? Look at this. It's beauty. Ooh. Wait till you see the end.